Exciting news! The Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro are set to launch later this year, and we've got all the juicy details on their specs and prices way ahead of time. Expected release: October in China. Xiaomi 15 highlights: display 6.36-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, 1400 nit brightness and high brightness mode performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage battery, 4800 to 4900 mAh, 10W wired and 500 wireless charging camera, triple rear cameras, 50MP main, ultra-wide, telephoto, 32MP front camera extras, IP68 water and dust resistance, Leica optics. Xiaomi 15 Pro highlights: display 6.73-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, 1400 nit brightness and high brightness mode performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage battery, 5400 mAh, 12W wired and 800 wireless charging camera, triple rear cameras, 50MP main, ultra-wide, telephoto, 32MP front camera extras, IP68 water and dust resistance, Leica optics. Pricing: Xiaomi 15 to 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, CNY 4, $599 $630 to $16GB RAM plus 1TB storage, CNY 5, $499 $756. Xiaomi 15 Pro, 12GB RAM, CNY 5, $299 CNY 5, $499 $728 $756. 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage, CNY 6, $299 CNY 6, $499 $866 $894. Stay tuned for more updates, and hit that subscribe button for the latest tech news.